You're so silly. You play with your toys? Show Mommy how you play with your toys. Show me. Show me how you play with your toys. Like that? Yeah? You're such a big boy. Is this your toy right here? Huh? What about this one? Is this one on? Is that Winnie barking? She's barking. Oh, is that a Jill? This is a big one. Yeah. Do you like playing in your little chair? Huh? See, I'm a little too small for an exerciser, but this works perfect. It's perfect for me. And give everybody a smile? Hey. Hey, Will. Would you smile at everybody? Would you smile at everybody? Say hi. I go smile. That was a nice smile. That was a nice one. Oh, bless you. A big sneeze, too. Okay. I just want to show you some of the stuff we do today. We like to play a lot. And smile. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to leave you alone. Have fun playing. Okay? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You playing? I don't want to say bye-bye now. I want to play.